Do you like making retro video game music? If so, Ujam just came out with an awesome new plugin just for you called Pixel, and it comes with 100 different retro video games sounds built right into it, with a whole bunch of awesome effects for you to tweak and dial in the sound you want. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy, and I'm really excited to share this plugin with you. I've been creating 8-bit kind of retro video game music in the past on and off. I've wanted to release a whole album of this, but I never have. So maybe using this plugin here will help me to actually get that album finished. But let me just show you what it can do real quick. Every track in here I used comes from this plugin, except for some of the drums down here. So let's just give this a quick listen. So real quick, let's just look at some of these presets in here. So you've kind of got your introduction. These are kind of like, just kind of show you the range of this tool. So you got kind of like these cheesy stabs here. A kind of a cello type sound. Obviously very chippy and cheesy sounding. Some deep chip bass. This thing, this is like a sound effect. It's pretty cool. It's supposed to be like a lead. It's kind of cool. Like another pad sound here. That's pretty cool. And of course, your little insert coin effect. That's actually an ARP. You can see the sequencer here. So we can obviously tweak this if we wanted to. That's pretty cool. And we can of course turn this off if we wanted to and make our own sequence. And just kind of use it as a little pluck or a lead. Something like that. And then I guess we're kind of going into the tool here. So you got a sequencer. Obviously you can create ARPs and so forth. So we can turn this on and there's different presets in here. And so we can control different things in here. We can control the swing, the note length, how many octaves it's going up. And how long the pattern is before it repeats. Add some swing. Nice, groovy. And of course the note length. It's like a really cool thing to automate. And then of course you've got the actual synthesizer here. So you got your different tones in here. So basic tronic is what we're using here. And then we can make it darker or brighter. And I guess control the attack here. Interesting. And then we can, there's different variations here. It's kind of cool. We can add a sweeping sound to it. So basically the whole idea here is you don't have to really be a synthesis expert to really dial in your sounds. There's just like a few macro controls here that you can use to really get the sound you're looking for. Got some metallic sound. So it's cool, you can see you can create a lot of different sounds here, cheesy strings. So I don't think there's an LFO in here, but you can obviously automate this yourself if you want to. Different colors. Scrubbing. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of cool ways to customize all these. And then you got this finisher over here, which adds different effects. So you can add setting like EQ right now. And there's single, dual, and quad effects. So we can make it lo-fi if we wanted to. Add saturation. Compression. We have dual super chorus. That's pretty cool. Lo-fi gator. Nice. Dirty echoes. That's pretty cool. Bit destroyer. That's pretty cool. So you can see here there's a lot of really pleasant, really kind of retro, vintage kind of effects in here, and you can also dial in each of these effects down here as well. And you got your delay, you got some reverb. There's some really nice reverbs in here too. So small ambience to like deep space. That's really nice. Plate. Chapel. Hull. Digital. A little brighter. You can have a reverse reverb. Interesting. Gated. So really cool ways to dial in your sound here. And then if we kind of just keep cycling through these different presets up here, we got plumber run, so it's gonna be something like Mario sounding. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then of course you got things sorted, so you even have like drum sounds in here. Have a kick, some snare. Some basically effects. And here you're like more arcadey sounds. Pretty cool. Donkey Dead. Pretty cool. Interesting. And we have some like different hits here. Pretty cool. Nice. Nice. And we got different more instrument sounding things. Interesting. Different orchestral sounds. We kind of covered some of these. Lo-fi horns. Pretty cool. And here are more melodic sounds. It's pretty cool. And you get your chords. Gated string 64. So this is like what? Supposed to be like Nintendo 64 sound. Interesting. Magic shroom pad. Nice. Spacey lo-fi. It's pretty cool. You get your different basses. Pretty cool. Interesting. So yeah, you can see all these different sounds in here. Of course, you can create your own effects, presets, and save them in here. So really cool. And let's just like finish listening to this. You can see all the different sounds we got in here. Or yeah, I'll play from like right here. And there you have it. Pretty awesome. So if this sounds like something you want to try out, you can actually get it for free for 30 days to see how you like it. Just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/pixel. And if you do decide to pick this up, you can actually get 20% off this and all Ujam plugins at checkout when you use my code OAA-20. Now this doesn't stack if Ujam is currently running a sale, but if it's full price, you can get 20% off with that code OAA-20. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Does this look like a cool plugin? And if you want to see more awesome plugin reviews that I've done, just check out my playlist on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.